Jeff Brewster, CNC tool crib attendant.
Curtis Barber, CNC setup.
Christopher Brewster, I'm CNC setup.
Robert Chevrier, I'm the CNC supervisor.
I make sure the Heimers are cleaned and ready to go every morning. I also make sure finish is checked for run out and sent out to the machines so they're ready to go.
Get tooling ready, go to our machines, recheck setups, make sure everything's good.
We make sure the plate is indicated straight, is squared up as humanly possible. Same thing with surface flatness on the plate and make sure it's not warped or twisted.
The challenges we face on a regular basis is machines are not available because we're running so hard and the capacity is full.
Setting tools, making sure they are correct. Bigger plates, moving them around safely. I have 2 sets of Heimers. One of them heats the tools up so I can insert the tools. The other Heimer is a tool setter. That tool checks out run out and it also checks the tool height.
Precision is very important. It's one and done. So everything is here is precision.
The precision in the setup, it's actually quite important, especially for hole location, the mating surfaces, especially for the patterns when they go together.
Safety first. We want you leaving the way you came in.
We make sure we're in safety glasses. We wear steel-toed shoes. Forklifts will have checklists to make sure everything's in operating condition. Cranes, same way.
The training and expertise of a setup person depends on how they come in. If they come in off the street not knowing anything, we train them from the beginning.
When I joined Hoosier, I had experience, so my hands-on was more of learning the parts, the patterns, and what we actually did here.
In my case, I actually had no CNC experience prior. It's all been hands-on.
Collaboration is important because we are a team.
Communication is a very important task. I communicate with the programmers and the operators.
We work pretty well with our programmers. Programmers will give us the information we need. I get along with everyone. Everyone's super friendly. It's been really good.
It's a smaller company, so it's more of a tight-knit group. We all work as a team. That's what I really like about it.